This is letter H. H says H says. Now, what's the formation of H? Start from the dot. Make a standing line. Again, make a standing line. And sleeping line from left to right. It's capital H. How to write small h? Start from the dot. Make a standing line. Go up. Make a little curve. Then come down. Make a loop. This is letter I. How to write capital I and small? Make a standing line. Sleeping line on the top and again sleeping line on the bottom. How to write small I? Make a short standing line, make a loop, put a dot. This is a letter J. J says J. How to write capital J? Start from the dot, make a standing line, then make a curve from In this video, I will show you how to write capital K and small k. The K says K. Start from the dot, make a standing line, and from the middle, slant up, slant down. It's a capital K. How to write small k? Start from the dot, make a standing line, slant up, slant down. It's a small k. How to write capital L and small l? Put a dot here and here. Make a straight standing line down to the bottom line. From the bottom line, make a sleeping line towards the right. It's a capital L. Now, how to write small l? Put a dot here and here. Start from the top line, draw a straight standing line down to the bottom line and make a little curve. This is small l. How to write capital M and small m? This is a very easy way. Put a dot here and again put a dot here on the bottom line. Start from here, make a standing line to the bottom, and from the top make a slanting line down. It's a middle of the line, and again make a slanting line up to the top, and from the top make again standing line down. This is capital M. So how to write small m? Put a dot here and here, make a short standing line, and from the top make a small curve like a hump down to the bottom, and without lifting the pencil make another small curve to the bottom and make a loop. This is a small m. How to write capital N and small n? In this video we will learn how to write. So put a dot here and here make a straight standing line, then stop. From the top make a slanting line to the right, then stop it here. Again make a straight line down. This is capital N. And how to write small n? Put a dot here and here. Make a short standing line, and from here make a little curve. Stop and again make a short standing line and make a loop. This is small n, and the n says the n says Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to learn how to write capital O and small o. So put a dot here and start from the top line and make a big circle like this. This is capital O. And how to write small o? Put a dot here and here. Start from the middle line and make a small circle like this. This is small o, and the o says O. Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to learn how to write capital P and small p. Now put a dot on the top line and put a dot on the bottom line. Start from the top line, make a straight line down and stop. And from the top line make a half circle like this. This is a capital P. And how to write small p? Put a dot on the middle line and below to the bottom line. Again make a straight line down, and from this side make a small circle like this. This is a small p, and the p says p. The p says p. Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we will learn how to write capital Q and small q. Put a dot here and make a big circle just like O. So it's look like O. Then make a slanting line down. It's a capital Q. And how to write small q? Put a dot here, it's a middle line, and here make a semicircle just like A and stop. Make a standing line down, then make a slanting line up. It's a small q.